Good day, lab mates! Like almost every other workplace, science laboratories contain electronic equipment. Electrical safety rules help prevent the misuse of electronic instrument, electric shock, and other injuries, and ensure that any damaged equipment, ports, or plug are reported to appropriate personnel so they can be repaired or replaced. The following are some of the basic reminders on equipment safety. Equipment is only to be used with the approval and supervision of the laboratory instructor. Do not operate any instrument without their knowledge and presence. Know the proper usage and safety precaution of the equipment prior to operation. Read the manuals and quick guides of the equipment to familiarize the function and operating procedure. Check for the potential problem before proceeding to manipulation. Inspect for any damage and notify the instructor or personnel immediately for replacement or repair as needed. Before plugging an equipment to an electrical outlet, check the voltage requirement. Look for the indicated voltage requirement of the device before using. Laboratory personnel should be certain that all electrical equipment is well maintained, properly located, and safely used. Observe any malfunction during the operation. Only authorized personnel are allowed to fix or repair any equipment. Immediately report to the laboratory instructor any detected defects. Do not try to fix any equipment when it breaks down. Notify the instructor or the lab personnel as soon as possible for proper response. Do not adjust the set parameters of the equipment unless you are told to do so. Changing set parameters must not be done unless permitted and with the knowledge of the other users. Changing the parameters without notifying others might result in unintended accidents. Avoid moving the equipment while in operation. Do not attempt to move or disturb the equipment during work in progress. This is to prevent it from giving erratic result and mechanical failure that could result in injuries. Do not leave the equipment while in operation. Never leave machines unattended. Ensure that the equipment used is supervised until the end of the operation. Ensure that the only appropriate materials are to be subjected for application or testing as required by the used equipment. Only appropriate materials as indicated in the operating manuals are to be used. Do not introduce any other materials without the knowledge of the lab instructor. Do not interchange the adapter or parts of any equipment to avoid malfunctions of the instrument, prolong their lifespan, and achieve optimal efficiency. Unmatched adapter or any equipment parts can potentially damage the laboratory device and could also affect mechanical malfunctions. Safety equipments are only to be used when needed. Laboratory shower, eye washes, and fire extinguisher are available only for emergency purposes. Be aware how to use the safety device in the laboratory to function properly during emergencies. At the end of the activity, make sure that the used equipment are clean, complete, properly endorsed, and returned to designated personnel for the sake of the next use.